జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 7th చాప్టర్ జ్ఞాన విజ్ఞాన యోగము 20th శ్లోక. గీతాచార్య శ్రీకృష్ణ పరమాత్మ giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, Arjuna, I told you that it is impossible to get a devotee who can say, Krishna, you are everything to me. You know why did I say? In general, all the souls in this Srishti, they have done some sinful activities in the previous birth. Because of the sinful activities of their previous births, because of the impressions they are carrying from their previous births, with the effect of all those previous impressions, all the souls will be more inclined to enjoy the mundane pleasures. That is why they approach other devatas to get their desires fulfilled. So they approach other devatas and they offer their aradhana to other devatas according to the nature of that particular devata. Like that, everybody approaches other devatas, nobody comes to me. That is why I said it is very hard to find a devotee who can say, Krishna, you are everything to me. There is no devotee who wants to get rid of the cycle of birth and death. That is why it is very hard to see anyone approaching me. It is very hard to see a devotee saying, declaring that Krishna, you are everything to me. Like this, Krishna Paramatma expressing his pain to see that everyone is more inclined towards enjoying these mundane pleasures. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, trying to address Krishna Paramatma's pain, and while preparing ourselves to say that Krishna, you are everything to me. Now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Kamaistaihi hrutajnanaha prapadyante अन्यदेवताः तं तं नियममास्थाय प्रकृत्या नियता स्वया. ॐ. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your prescribed duties as my service. Keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my prescribed duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu Tam sarva bhuta hrudayam Munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam Tritiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Maitreya teaching the process of Srishti to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, now in the souls from Chaturmukha Brahmas, who is known as Samishti Purusha, as the sensory organs becomes existed in that body, Samishti body, so also those sensory organs becomes existed in the bodies of all the souls. In that process, Vak Indriyam, the sense of the speech, that becomes available in the bodies of souls, and from that, with that, the souls will start pronouncing, start saying Shabdam, start making sound. After that, the sense of taste, Jikhva Indriyam, that comes out. Varuna Devata is the Adhisthana Devata of Jikhvendriyam. And with that Jikhvendriyam, souls will be able to understand the taste with that. And after that, from the Samishti Purusha and in all the bodies, the Nasarandhram, the nostrils will comes into existence. And then Granendriyam, the sense of smell, that becomes available in that nostrils. Aswini Devatas are Adhisthana Devatas to this Granendriyam. With the help of this Granendriyam, the souls will be able to understand the smell. And Vidura, after that, two eyeballs will be coming into existence. Then Chakshurindriyam, the sense of vision, that becomes available in those eyes. And Aditya is the Adhisthana Devata to Chakshurindriyam. With the help of this Chakshurindriyam, the soul will be able to understand the colors. After that, Charmam, the skin, becomes available. And Tvak Indriyam, the sense of touch, that Indriyam will come into existence. And Vayu is the Adhisthana Devata to Tvagindriyam. With the help of this Tvak Indriyam, Jiva, the soul, will be able to understand the touch. And there are two things, skin and Tvak. Both of their place is same, but activities are different. The touch will be understood by skin, and the itchiness will be understood by Tvak Indriyam. And to the skin, Adhisthana Devata is Vayu. To the Indriyam Tvak, Adhisthana Devata is Oshadhis. And then private organs will comes into existence with the Adhisthana Devata as Prajapati. Like this, Maitreya explaining the process of Srishti to Vidura. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 7th chapter, 20th sloka. Kamaistaihi Hrutajnanaha Prapadyante Anyadevataha Tam Tam Niyamamasthaya Prakrutya Niyatasvaya. Kamaistaihi Hrutajnanaha Prapadyante Anyadevataha Tam Tam Niyamamasthaya Prakrutya Niyatasvaya. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.